See this, guys? People are actually earning a good amount of money by selling their Instagram accounts. You can see this, $3,000 by just selling their Instagram accounts. $1,200 single Instagram account. $5,300. How they are doing $14,000. Do you want to know how you yourself can earn a good amount of money? Just follow along this video, guys, and I'll show you step by step how you yourself can earn a good amount of money by just selling your Instagram accounts online. Hello guys, what's up? And in this video I'm going to show you how you can earn money online by just selling your Instagram accounts, guys. Yes, you are right, guys. Rarely, even if you are using your Instagram account, no one even thought about that by selling your followers you can earn money. Okay, and you can see this, guys. I'll show you a proof, guys. Let us suppose you are having 2,000 followers or so. Okay, so whatever your category is, okay, let's take a pets and animals category. Okay, very simple category, and you can see people are actually earning $210 by just, what they are doing, guys. They just create an Instagram account and they are selling online their Instagram account here. Okay, so guys, if you don't know how to create an Instagram account or how to generate post, okay, not copyright free post, or we can say that, guys, how to generate our followers to that extent, just follow along this video. I am going to show you how you yourself can earn this much amount of money, guys. Okay, just watch this video till the end. Okay, not even a single category I'm gonna left apart. Okay, each and every category I just gave you tips and techniques that you should follow along. Okay, so what is the first category, guys? Just come up here, instagram.com. okay, and you just need to give your mail ID, full name, your username and password. Just pay more attention to it, guys. Okay, I just gave my email ID. Okay, so just give your full name. Okay, I just given full name, and you just need to give your username, guys. What username you can set? Okay, let us suppose, guys, you want to earn a good amount of money by just creating pets. Okay, pets and animals account. Okay, so what do I do? So just find out a name that is not available. Okay, pets, animals, we can say that photos. Okay, so let's check that is this username is available or not. Okay, so let's see. Okay, I have created this. Okay, it's available. Yes, it is, and I just need to give password. Okay, just click on this sign up button. Okay, so I just need to give my birth date. Okay, I just gave it. So just create my birth date. Okay, it's done. Just click on this next button, and a confirmation code is sent to your mail ID. Okay, so you can see this, guys. This is a verification code that you get. Okay, just copy this verification code and just post it on this post it here. Okay, just paste it here and just click on this next button, and you are good to go, guys. Okay, just wait for this login, and you can see, guys, your Instagram page is working right now. So what do I need to do, guys? Okay, so what do I need to do right now? I just come up in my profile section, okay, and see my profile. Okay, I just need to, okay, guys, I just want to change my username. Okay, guys, I just want to change my username. So what do? I just want to add my username. Okay, let's suppose I just gave pets, animals and underscore beautiful. So this is what I need to give. Okay, I just gave a description that I have created a page for animal lovers. Okay, for animal lovers I have created an account. Okay guys, so for this guys you need to change your profile photo. Okay, so what profile photo you need to give? Just come up here in pexels.com guys, just come up here in pexels.com and you need to type animals. Okay, animals, just type animals here, and you can take whatever. You can see this is a cool picture of animal, so you can download it. Okay, so you can see this is a picture that I have downloaded it in front of you, and it's absolutely copyright free guys. So I just show you how to do it. So pixel, this is your picture, you can see this guys. So it will take some time to upload it because it's 4.6 MB image. Okay, depends upon your internet speed how it's working. So this is what I have created guys. Okay, this is what I have created. You can give your phone number, don't give your phone number. Okay, just give your gender. Okay, you can give it, so that guys there is always always something that needs to be done. Okay, so submit it and you are good to go. Okay, so what basic thing I just need to give you to pay more attention guys, what basic things you need to pay attention here, okay, is to just post your photographs in this website. Okay, so how do I do it? How do I post it? Just come up here in the profile section. Okay, so guys what you need to do, you can just post it by connecting your Facebook friends with this or adding your numbers. Okay, so what most important thing I just need to focus on is this IGTV. Okay, so you can upload your photos, videos as well. You can see the animals that I have put. Okay, so you can just download these animals guys. Okay, you just need to click on this and you can download this image. You can see it's quite a big guys. Okay, so I'm not doing it. Okay, so this is a quite big image. Okay, so you can just download it and just upload it on your Instagram accounts. And the most important thing that I need to give more focus is on that guys, you just need to type animals. Okay, you just need to type animals here. Okay, just type here animals. So I just need to type animals, and you can see this guys, how much followers this account is having. 4.8 million followers. So I just click on this and try to follow all of these people. Okay, try to follow all of these people guys. Every day what you need to do, just try to follow these people, so that guys they are come up onto your profile that you have opened such and such things. Okay, you have created a small post, small animals account for them, and they are trying to follow you. Okay, so it will take time guys. How much followers minimum we need guys? How much followers? You can see this 8.2 or 2000. Okay, you can see how much sellers you can give, 2k to 5k. You can see this. Okay, from 2000 to 5000, how much they are actually earning from this. So now you understand this thing guys, how they are actually earning this thing. Okay, so minimum 2000 followers you need. Okay, so you can do it, follow it guys. Okay, and there is not only this thing guys, only not there. You can say that sir there is only one niche guys. There are hundreds and hundreds of niche that you can create. You can see this, there are huge categories guys. Okay, if you are opening let's say 1000 accounts, okay, 1000 accounts, so you can do one thing guys. Okay, so each account I can say that only 2 to 3 accounts are there that you can create. Okay, with one phone number I guess. So for that if I want to post some pictures on this platform, so I just need to connect it. Okay, so IGTV will offer you that you do not need any verification, so you can post your videos unlimited times. Okay, so just I need to follow, just post your videos on this platform beautiful animals. You can see that pets underscore animals underscore beautiful. Okay, so this is the account that I've created in seconds, and you just need to post here and you can earn up to good amount of money from this. You can see. So how do I earn? Okay, so you might ask me a question that, sir, how can I sell? So just click on the sell button. Okay, and guys, all the links in the description, all the links are in the description box, so there is no ambiguity. So account name, okay, so this is my account name. Okay, so just copy this account name here. Okay, so just copy this and give the category. So what is our category? Pets and animals. So just click on this next. Number of followers, you can say that, guys, 2000. Whenever your followers are reached to 2000, average like you can give 200. Account age, you can say that 2 to 5 months. Okay, how much it will how much month it will take. If your account will take 1 month, then it's good. Okay, you can give your name, guys. Okay, and your last name. Okay, you just need to give, and your account name, your account with which you have entered. Okay, okay, so I have given my phone number as well. Just click on this submit button and you are good to go. Thank you, your account is being submitted successfully. That's it, guys, that's it. So whatever buyer will come up here, try to contact you even with your mail ID or with your phone number, that I want to buy your account. So that's it, guys. Okay, so whenever you are giving your account details, I just want to recommend you to change your mail ID. You can see, you can even change your mail ID. So you can give that, just get the payment in advance and then you can give the mail ID for this. Okay, guys, so this is a way how you can do it, guys. It's absolutely free of cost. I hope you get this idea, guys, that how from Instagram we can earn. Okay, how from Instagram we can earn a huge amount of money by just following some simple steps. Okay, so you do not need any kind of phone number or post. You just come up here, just need to download some photographs, okay, videos from this, because uploading a video is absolutely free. Okay, uploading a video is absolutely free. So you just need to give more attention to this. Like I just need to post a video. So what should I do? Just click on this and just drag drop your video file. Okay, just give a title and description and just give tags, guys. Tags you need to give hashtag animal, okay, hashtag pets. Okay, so give these kind of hashtags so that your ranking would be eventually done automatically. Okay, you will get best ranking in your Instagram account. Okay, just need to click on this post and you are good to go, guys. You can see how easy it is, how people are actually earning a good amount of money by just posting, just selling their Instagram accounts, by doing these kind of things, guys. They are not doing verification and all, so just they are doing. And guys, how much categories are there? How much categories you can see? Fitness, cars and bikes, fashions and style, you can see art and gaming. Okay, how much you can earn? There is unlimited potential, guys, unlimited potential. Okay, so after selling your account, you can change your phone number as well. Okay, you ask your buyer that please change your phone number, and it will do the verification part so that you can utilize your phone number for different account. Okay, whenever you sell, use your phone number for different account, use your phone number for different account. That's the chain that you need to follow. Okay, so it's absolutely free, guys, absolutely amazing. So I have told you each and every steps. Now just go and just earn it, guys. I just want to tell you that if 1% efforts are from my side, okay, you can do it, okay, for your betterment. Just hit the like button and subscribe to my channel so that there is always a motivation to give you best content out there. Okay, we'll see you in the next video, guys.